I'm Brad Edwards. We know some of you are here getting ready to watch an all-new Colbert, but first, take a look at this. The number of new COVID cases in Illinois, the highest since the end of January, nearly 4,000 in one day. And at last check, 81% of Illinois' new cases were in people who are not vaccinated. Those rising numbers are one of the reasons some parents are pushing to keep their kids home this upcoming school year, at least to begin with. But the Illinois Board of Education is mandating students return to classrooms. CBS 2's Marie Saavedra found the fight is futile for parents.
We're in the final days of summer for 11-year-old Casey James of Aurora. He was counting on starting 6th grade in the halls of Washington Middle School, but he won't if his father can help it.
The ending of his 5th grade here in Aurora, still remote, and then now they want to go in person.
Robert Cotan has worked hard to keep himself and his son healthy, only leaving home for groceries and the bank.
When we go out, a lot of Americans are stupid. They refuse to wear a mask, and I get so nervous.
He has fragile health. His son is too young for vaccination. So the idea of in-person school for him feels like too much of a risk.
I ask, I beg, and I demand the school district, school board in Aurora, here in Kane County, to allow my son to stay remote. They do not have the right to put my son or me at risk of COVID.
And he's not the only one.
This is across our state where parents are feeling desperate.
Rosemary Vega is a Chicago Public Schools parent and part of Raise Your Hand Illinois, petitioning the state to offer remote learning.
And we want an option that actually works for our children.
Back in Aurora,
we're only allowed by law to offer one model of instruction.
District 129 Superintendent Jeff Craig said their hands are tied. The full return to in-person learning is a decision made by the Illinois State Board of Education. There is an exception, but it's a thin one. Students can do remote learning if they are ineligible to get the vaccine or have not received it, and only while they're under a required quarantine. And that's a matter of days at best.
We try to do the very best we can and provide the best opportunity each and every day, knowing full well that will be some people that just are not going to be happy about it.
You can count Cotan among them, who now has 1 week to figure out how his son will go back to school.
I'm trying to be nice about this. And I don't want to let the government or school board push us around because it's wrong.
In Aurora, Marie Saavedra, CBS 2 News.
So should students have an option to continue remote learning in the coming school year? 57% of you who answered our Twitter poll said yes, they should. 37% said no. 5% say students should all be remote.